Want to start a business from home with low investment and daily income? Here's a genius idea. Start a home-cooked food delivery service for local offices and shops. Step 1. Make a simple menu. Create a small menu with 4 to 5 daily meals like grilled chicken with rice, pasta bowls, wraps, sandwiches, or salads. Keep it healthy, fresh, and affordable. Step 2. Print and distribute. Design a clean menu flyer with your phone number, WhatsApp, and delivery timings. Now, go out and hand it to nearby office workers, shopkeepers, and salons. Offer a discount on the first order to hook them. Step 3. Offer fast delivery. You don't need a car. Use a bicycle, scooter, or even partner with local delivery drivers. You can deliver within a 2 to 3 mile radius. Earning potential. Let's say you get just 10 orders a day. If each meal sells for $10, that's $100 a day. Even after food costs and delivery, you keep $40 to $50 daily. That's $1,200 to $1,500 a month from your kitchen. Investment? Very low. Your startup cost is just ingredients, takeout containers, and flyers. Around $100 to $150 to start. That's it. Bonus tip. Use Instagram and Facebook local groups to show your meals. Upload stories, show your kitchen hygiene. People love clean and homemade. Scale it. As orders grow, add a helper, expand the menu, and build weekly meal plans. You could turn this into a full-blown catering business. Final words. Big businesses start from small kitchens. If you're tired of 9 to 5 and ready to cook your way to success, start today. Call to action. How did you like this business idea? Tell us in the comments below. For more creative and profitable business ideas, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new opportunity.